IIT Roper. IIT Roper is one of the 8 new IITs established by MHRD in 2008. In this video, we are going to see the college review of this young IIT. So make sure that you watch the video till the end and don't forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. So let's start. IIT Roper was established in 2008. Looking toward some of the national rankings of IIT Roper, in the NIRF 2020 ranking, IIT Roper scored an All India rank of 25, which means that IIT Roper stands at 25th position comparing to all the top engineering colleges throughout the India. If we look toward the QS General India ranking, then IIT Roper stands at the 25th position. It means that IIT Roper is rated 25 comparing to all the top universities throughout the India. Please note that this QS ranking is Indian national ranking, not international ranking. Now, looking toward the campus details of IIT Roper, when the IIT Roper was newly established in 2008, the classes for the academic session of 2008 and 2009 were held at IIT Delhi. The institute started functioning from its transit campus in Rangpur in August 2009. And now, IIT Roper has completely shifted all its academic activities to its permanent campus. IIT Roper has its permanent campus spread across the area of more than 525 acres, and the campus has an state-of-the-art infrastructure including all the facilities for the students. Looking toward the accommodation facilities here, the campus houses 4 hostels, out of which 3 are boys' hostels and 1 hostel is for girls. Now, looking toward the mess facilities here, most of the students say that food here is quite eatable, both veg and non-veg is served. You have limited choices over the things, and most of the reviews are found to be decent, and you can even consider them above average. So overall, food reviews are good here. Now, looking toward the library facilities at IIT Roper, the library houses a growing collection of research monographs, reports, multi-volume reference works, dictionaries, encyclopedias, handbooks, and so on. The library also subscribes to several e-journals directly from publishers. At present situation, more than 22,000 books along with thousands of electronic books and journals are available inside the library. Now, looking toward the laboratory facilities at IIT Roper, a central research facility has been established at the institute. In the academic year 2017-18, the institute organized its first research conclave. Now, looking toward some of the recent research stats of the institute, in the year 2019, 5 patents were published and 1 was granted. In the year 2018, IIT Roper published 3 patents and 1 was granted. In the year 2017, 6 patents were published, but unfortunately none was granted. So all these research stats look quite satisfactory, and definitely institute is committed to improve them. Now, looking toward the annual student intake capacity of the institute, IIT Roper has the annual sanctioned student intake capacity of 330 students for the undergraduates 4 years program. In the academic year 2019-20, institute had the total actual student strength of more than 1400 students. It includes all the category of students from undergraduates to postgraduate. Out of those total students, 74 students were from within the state and rest of the students were from various parts of the India. No international student was here. Now, moving on to the faculty resources of the institute, IIT Roper has a very good team of 176 faculty members. Since it's an institute of national importance, most of the faculty members here are PhD holders. The institute has the number of students to faculty ratio of 8:1. It simply means that at IIT Roper, 1 faculty member is available behind every 8 students. Now, moving on to the graduation and placement outcomes, in the academic year 2019-20, for the undergraduates 4 years program, 127 students were graduated within the minimum stipulated time. out of which 102 students were placed and 2 students were selected for higher studies. The median salary package secured by the students was 12.2 lakh per annum. Now, looking toward the fee structure of the institute, an ordinary open category student has to pay the overall tuition fee of around 1 lakh per semester, and rest of the expenses except your hostel and mess rise something around 7,000. You have to pay the hostel and mess fees of around 25,000 per semester. Keep in mind that all these fees are only for one semester, not for an complete academic year. Now looking toward the mode of admission here, since it's an IIT, most of you already must be knowing that the admissions here are taken on the basis of the All India ranks scored by the students in the JEE Advanced examination. Now if we look toward some of the cutoff ranks here, for the JOSA 2020 round 6, the cutoff rank for the CSE branch was something around 2000, and the cutoff rank for the metallurgy and material engineering was something around 13,000. These are the two branches with the extremum of the cutoff ranks. The cutoff ranks for the most of the other branches lie within them. For the further details of the cutoff ranks, you can check out the PDF given in the description box. In that PDF, you will get all the details regarding the cutoffs for all the categories and all the branches. This PDF includes the cutoff from the JOSA 2020 round 6. No college review can be complete until we talk about the annual fests at the college. So now, looking toward some of the annual fests at IIT Ropar, Zagest is the annual cultural festival of IIT Ropar. It is generally held in the month of October or November. It is a 3-day cultural event where various cultural activities like drama, singing, dancing, all these are organized. Advitiya is the annual technical festival of IIT Ropar where various technical events are organized. Arohan is the annual sports festival at IIT Ropar, which is held in the month of February. Along with all these events, an annual Indian classical music and dance event is also organized by the students and faculties. Some events like Inter-Batch Cultural Championship and Inter-Year Sports Championship are inter-college events that are organized annually for the students of the institute. So, this is all about the college review of IIT Ropar from my side. Whatever you think about the video, feel free to tell me that in the comment section. Any suggestion or anything is always welcomed, and I would love to read your comments. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.